Hello, all Taurus people of the zodiac sign. This reading will be for you. It's a reading based on Archangel Michael, Oracle deck reading, the Sword of Light. The messages will be intuitively given by Archangel Michael. So, hope you all have this guidance in your life. Take it as a guidance. These messages are from Archangel Michael. This is the card of Archangel Michael. It's a deck of 44 cards. So, Taurus, here I start your reading. I'll be picking up 3 cards for Taurus people, for the Taurus zodiac sign. You can see it as a moon sign, as an ascendant sign, and as a sun sign also. All these 3 signs will work in your favor. So please do watch that way and you will get the messages, respective messages. So respective messages, please do take it as a guidance. So this reading is for Taurus people. I'll pick up 3 cards. Card number 1, card number 2, card number 3. So these are the 3 cards that I've picked up for Taurus people. These are the 3 cards. I'll read it one by one. I'll explain the meaning also. Okay. So card number 1, it's a weekly reading, Taurus. So you can resonate it or relate it with this entire week, though 2 days have passed, never mind. So just consider it as a weekly reading because I am doing a weekly reading for all the zodiac signs. Okay, so card number 1 is Angels of Healing are with you. Angels of Healing are with you. If you're suffering from any kind of pain, whether it is mental or physical, so the angels of healing are with you. Don't worry. They are guiding you, though you cannot see. But do feel it within you. Get connected with your inner self, with your higher self, because angels are always there around us. They are always guiding us. They are always helping us to heal and to improve our own life, to grow spiritually. So angels of healing are with you. A time of healing is about to bless you. Accept Archangel Raphael's emerald green light while I enhance your strength. See, here is a green light, as you can see. It's a green aura, green light. Archangel Raphael's emerald green light. So Archangel Michael will enhance your strength of healing. So if you're suffering from any kind of mental or physical illness or suffering, then angels will guide you. They will heal you. Please don't worry. Take care of yourself properly. You will be healed very soon, Taurus. You will be healed very soon. Have faith in the universe. Have faith in your own self. So this was about card number 1. Here comes card number 2. Here comes card number 2. Take control of your thoughts. Take control of your thoughts, which means your thoughts are creating your reality. If you check my manifestation video, you'll come to know how manifestation works. through our thoughts, through our very own thoughts, what we think here. So your thoughts are creating your reality. आप जो सोचोगे वही reality बन जाएगी आपके लिए. Isn't it? That's how manifestation works. So take control of your thoughts. Take that charge. Be in charge of your own thoughts, of your own reality, of your own life. Create your life, create your own reality through your own thoughts, because we create our own thoughts. Choose your thoughts wisely. कुछ भी थॉट्स ऐसे आने मत दीजिए, या कोई भी थॉट्स को चूज़ मत कीजिए, अग्री मत कीजिए. चूज़ योर थॉट्स वाइजली. हैव फेथ and stay focused on the outcome that you truly desire. Have faith in the universe, have faith in yourself, and stay focused. Staying focused is very, very important. Staying focused is very important. जो आप कर रहे 4-5 चीज़ एक साथ फोकस मत कीजिए. एक चीज़ पे फोकस कीजिए. Focus on one particular thing. Because only then it will intensify in your thought, and then it will come to reality and create your life like that. So have faith and stay focused on the outcome, on the result that you truly desire. जो आप truly चाहते हैं, जो आप truly desire करते हैं, उस पे focus कीजिए. So for that, what you need to do? You need to take control of your thoughts. Take charge of your thoughts. Be in charge of your thoughts. Choose your thoughts wisely. Only then you will manifest your reality according to what you truly dream or desire. This was all about the second card. The third card is step into the spotlight. Step into the spotlight. You have a message that the world needs to hear. It's time to share your wisdom. अगर आप वाकई में wisdom loving person हैं, अगर आप वाकई में wise हैं, एक wise इंसान होना क्या होता है आपको पता होगा, तो be wise. और अगर आपके पास कोई अच्छी नॉलेज है, कोई स्पिरिचुअल ग्रोथ जो दूसरों के लिए बेनिफिट कर सकती है, या कुछ भी नॉलेज जो कि अच्छा हो, पॉजिटिव हो, उसे प्लीज़ शेयर कीजिए दुनिया के साथ. उस नॉलेज को सिर्फ अपने तक ही मत रखिए. उस नॉलेज को पूरी दुनिया के साथ शेयर कीजिए. इसमें आपका भी भला होगा, दूसरों का भी भला होगा. So step into the spotlight. Step into the spotlight. सबके सामने आइए, सबके सामने वो मैसेज, वो वाइज थॉट, वो विजडम वाली बातें, ये पूरे वर्ल्ड के साथ शेयर कीजिए. Let the world hear it from you, because the world needs wisdom. The world really needs wisdom. So it's time to share your wisdom. Step into the spotlight, because it's time to share your wisdom. आपके पास जितनी भी अच्छी थॉट्स है, अच्छे नॉलेजेस हैं, उसे शेयर कीजिए. अपने तक ही सीमित मत रखिए. दूसरों के साथ वो बांटिए, वो शेयर कीजिए. दूसरों को भी जानने का मौका दीजिए, ताकि वो भी अपनी लाइफ में कुछ इम्प्रूवमेंट कर पाए, इम्प्रूवमेंट ला पाए. Okay, so help others through your knowledge, help others through your wisdom. So this was the last card, third card for the Taurus zodiac sign. Thank you so much. Hope you guys enjoy this reading and take it as a guidance, as a weekly guidance for you all, for the Taurus zodiac sign. Thank you.